Hey Paris, what is happening? What is happening, y'all? It's a blessed afternoon to you, wherever you are. So if you get it in the morning, if you get it in the afternoon, get it in the evening. It's good evening, good morning, or good night, whenever you see this little video. This is a little video just to show you how you harvest a bunch of planting, how we do it. So we'll take you right into the other little clip, and then you can leave your comments below. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to like and subscribe. Love you. Okay, now family, this is how we cut a bunch of banana. We're going acid it, dad acid it, for carry it down. And she dull man, dad. Whoa, it's alright, it'll come down, it'll come down. Mind your head, watch your head, watch your head, watch your head. Right down, 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 down. Beautiful, beautiful, lovely. Hold it, dad. Whoops. Alright, okay, okay. This is a blessed Monday where I'm just reaping the fruits of my labor, the fruits of our labor as a family. This is a planting. This is what we call an organic bunch of planting. No fertilizer, nothing had to it, just naturally grown. And you saw that just harvested a while ago. I'm going to do my part now. This we call handing the planting. So I'm going to use my knife. And I have a little idea how you do this. Because my mother, she used to do ripe bananas. Whoops, it's heavy. I'm should have turn it upside down. Should go it like this. It's like something basically to how you the hand banana. We call it handing the plantain or handing the banana. And you put it down, make it stay in the dirt, and make it drain. I should be doing it from the bottom, I think, you know, but nevertheless. I'm just gonna be putting it in the dirt because you know the stain on it. When we always put it in when we're there country, yep. And all the people who have experienced a country and they are born a country like me, you know it. So put it in the dirt, make the dirt deal with the stain, because you know the stain it all terribly can be on your clothes. I'll finish this up now. Come back to you. I'll finish now, family. I'm gonna leave them there for maybe another 2 hours to make them drain off. All the stain, because you don't want to make them, you know, just drain. And then, in a matter of days, you're on the Jamaican Debbie Debs train, I'll have ripe planting. But I have neighbors, so I'll be sharing with my neighbors. I will not consume all of this. I've got to share, okay? So, this is, I'm just sharing a little. I'm a blessing with you today, Monday. You know, we always talk about blessing and all of that, and I'll show you as we go along how they are going to ripen their own, and that is what we call organic. If you have liked just this little teeny bit of a video, harvesting the planting, handing the planting, leaving it to drain, and then it's not finished. You'll see more as we go along on the Debbie Debs train, how I'll put them and how they'll ripen their own. Remember to like this video, remember to share this video. Remember also to subscribe to the channel, and never let the evil around you, never let it take control of you. Stay Pantapati.